So if you're like me and use MoGas in your Zenith, I have a couple of options here for powering a fuel pump. So this is one of the standard Harbor Freight fuel pumps that you can purchase for, I don't know, anywhere from $8 to $12 or $13, depending on if they're a sale or not. And if you're familiar with them, you know they run on two D cell batteries in here. And they just have a simple little on-off switch. You can hear it running. And they work pretty well. They transfer about 1.5 gallons a minute, and they do a pretty good job. But I've come up with a couple of options here for replacing of the D cell batteries. So what you can do is you can purchase from Amazon, and I got these from Amazon. I think they were just a few dollars for 6 of them. And this gives you the option of using AA's. So you can throw AA's in here, and I've actually tried it with 1 or 2 and not necessarily all 3, and those go in the place of the D cell batteries. The other thing that I came up with is, and this was all made from stuff that I had here at the house and at the hangar. This is a piece of 1-inch PVC pipe, and what I did was I glued on the ends a couple pieces of black poly on both sides, and then took a cap off of one of the old pumps that I had and just drilled a hole in it. And this is a USB cable. So I don't know if you're familiar, but USB cables have 2 leads in them that are used for powering things. So what I did was I just stripped it, and I attached on the ends inside here. I used a couple of rivets on both sides. I attached rivet, and then inside I've got a couple of, the wire runs inside there, and I've got them to a couple of eyes so that I've got the negative up here and the positive on this end, negative on this end, positive on this end, and it fits right in here, and this whole piece will slip right down inside in place of the 2 batteries, and the switch still works. And if you're like me, you've got many of these different little power boxes, juice boxes, whatever you want to call them. And you can just use the USB, plug it in there, and it will power your pump. So instead of having to use disposable D cell, you can use rechargeable little battery packs instead.